Hi guys, good morning. It's Wednesday. Ayan, meron kasing project si Irela sa school. Yan, they have to do their own storybook. And Irela's mom made it. No, very nice, di ba? And ang gagawin ni Irela sa school, mag-storytelling siya.
It's a Friday.
It's Friday. You think you can do it?
Look,
Huh?
teacher will call one student.
Look here, look here.
Yes.
Okay, show your book. Yeah, that's how it's nice. The storybook of Arella. Come on, sample it. Read it. Yeah, kunyari kami yung ano mo, audience mo.
It's cozy. It's
Wait.
snug.
Siyempre, sasabihin mo muna yung title ng book.
The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
Okay.
It's cozy and snug by the fire's heat. Who's that warming their icy feet? It's a cat.
Wow. Nice. Effort ng mami niya dito.
There's plenty of food. Pamaya na lang.
Parang na-sample natin eh.
Sample na eh.
Okay.
Nag-sample na ako sa first
The
day.
Hungry Caterpillar. And it's all about
Christmas.
Christmas.
It's not about fruits.
Yeah, okay. And be good in storytelling, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you can do it. And, ano sabi ni teacher? Look in your audience once in a while.
Like this ako.
O sige, paano
Like
ba yan?
this,
Paano ba yan?
The very hungry caterpillar.
Yan.
Your eyes have to here.
Yes,
The
very
very
good.
hungry caterpillar. The very hungry caterpillar.
Yeah,
It's
you're...
cozy and snug by the fire's heat. Who's warming their icy feet? Pagtapos na dito, it's cozy and snug by the fire's heat. Who's that warming their icy feet?
Wow.
It's
ganda.
cozy and snug here by the fire's heat here.
Mm.
Who's warming their ice feet here?
Wow, galing ka ba? Yan kasi ang proper
Reading.
attitude when you are talking
Wait,
to
I'll
your
count how many pages.
audience. Galing talaga ng baby ko.
1,
How many pages?
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 pages. That would be...
Because 4 to 5 pages.
Okay. Yan. Very good and good luck on your storytelling on Friday. Okay, let's all have a blessed day. Bye. God bless.